This is one of the easiest way to prepare fried rice. So I'm going to be showing you the tips on how to prepare fried rice. The first thing you need to do is to steam your liver and your meat stock. Then cover the pot while you fry your ripe plantain if you want to eat it with ripe plantain. So I'm going to be using green green peas, green pepper, carrots. Um, in this process, I just finished boiling the rice, and now I've taken out the liver and the meat. So about to chop them into smaller pieces. So if you want to make your fried rice or make it look sweeter, what you need to do is just take some onions and green beans and blend them together. Then what I did was to put my rice into the meat stock, then add my curry, and after that you stir together. As you can see in the video, you stir together so all the ingredients could mix together. Then add some water into the rice. You can see I had a little quantity of water. Then I cover the pot. Then while the rice is on fire, I am chopping my carrot into smaller pieces, as you can see in the video. Then what you need to do is that you need to blend your onions and your green pepper and your green peas together while you keep some separately. As you can see, it's already grounded. Now you can see me chopping my green beans and also chopping my green pepper. You can see it. You can see them there over there. And now I'm checking my rice. You can see the color. The color is already looking yellowish to greenish. So now I'm chopping my liver. This is how I chop my liver. It makes it very easier to chop it into smaller pieces. So you chop your liver. As you can see, my green pepper, my carrots, and my green peas has been chopped into smaller pieces. So, well, almost done anyway. I'm still chopping my liver into smaller pieces. I love adding enough liver to my fried rice. I'm checking now if the water has dried in the rice. Now let's fry our liver. I always like to reduce the fire while frying. So you stir together, then add your green pepper and green beans. Then also add the blended onions and green pepper and green beans together to give it this nice and distinctive taste and aroma. Stir together. Thereafter, I added my chopped carrots to the fried ingredient. Stir together. I added more green pepper and green peas to the fried ingredient. Then you stir together. After frying all the ingredients together, you add your green peas and green beans, green pepper, and chopped carrots to the rice. Then you stir it together. As you can see, I am using a pestle because I don't want my fried rice to be too soft and gummy. So you stir it together. Stir together until you've been able to mix all the ingredients together to the rice. And as you can see, I've also fried my plantain because I'm going to be eating it with plantain. So my fried rice is ready.